It's that time of year again. Let's do this. Bake pre-made pie crust, grab a colander, cutting mat, and don't forget a tomato knife. Cut up some tomatoes. I'm doing from my garden, some Cherokees and beefsteak. Line a colander best you can, so you can add some salt and get the juices out. Then we're going to grate about a cup of cheddar cheese. I'm using this coarse grate. Add it to a bowl along with roughly a cup of mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to put in a total of 3/4 a cup mayo and sour cream. Give it a good mix. Then we're going to use the same grater to grate the onion. Get out any extra juice you can with a paper towel before putting it in our crust. Make a pretty design if you choose, or, just do whatever you got to do to get them in the crust. Add some sweet basil rub along with some scampi mix. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Along with onions, your creamy cheesy sauce, and these seasonings. Now it's time for it to bake, but wait, we got to cover up that exposed crust so it doesn't burn. 30 minutes at 350. You guys, this smelled phenomenal. I couldn't even wait for our guests to show up. It was so good and everyone loved it. You must try it.